babies were saying so nicely just a minute ago, huh? You guys were reading stories together, weren't you? Are you reading stories together? Oh, where are you going? Oh. It's Erica. Wow. Who's in our movie now? Who's going to be in our movie? Go get in the movie so we can watch it. There's Erica. There's Annalise. Can you dance for us? There you go. You can dance too? I like to sit in their little strollers and read stories, huh? And sit in your stroller? Erica, you want to sit here? No? Okay. And then Erica will sometimes push Annalise in her stroller. Will you push Annalise in her stroller, Erica? Can you give her a ride? Let's give Annalise a ride, okay? There she goes. Let's see this. Wow, what a strong girl. A nice sister, huh? Look at her go. Wow. She can sometimes even turn it around. Oh. You stuck? Want some help? There you go. Okay, I'll sit. Choo choo. Wow. Oh, are you being soft? Where did your ride go? Do you want to go push Erica now? Yeah, that's right. Oh, no, we don't dump it. Thank you.
Mama.
Good thing we're renters. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Dada.
Let's say bye, Annalise. Say bye.
Dada.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.